connected.
What's up YouTube? It's dafobra and welcome to today's video. My 2013 Street Triple is pretty much stock with just a few modifications, and the modifications that are on it are pretty much OEM Triumph, like the fly screen, the belly pan, the frame protectors, and the rear brake reservoir. Today I'm going to add a rear tire hugger to the back of the bike. Now a tire hugger, that helps to keep the back of the bike cleaner when you're riding through wet or dirty conditions. Now the Street Triple R comes standard with a hugger, but my Street Triple ABS did not. Luckily, Triumph does make this part available with all the mounting hardware, and it's a direct fit. Inside of the box you get the hugger itself, a small bracket, a captive nut, and 4 M6 Torx head screws. The first thing you must do is remove the blanking plug and 2 factory clips on the swing arm that are installed at the factory in the absence of the hugger. These parts can be retained just in case you want to put it all back to stock, which I'm not going to. Next, place the captive nut into the small bracket. This assembly can now be placed on the swing arm on the right hand throttle side and retained with one of the M6 screws. Now it's time to put the hugger onto the swing arm. Carefully put it into position and line up the holes on the swing arm near the rear brake reservoir. Use 2 more of the M6 screws to retain the hugger to the swing arm and the small bracket on the right hand throttle side. Using the remaining 1 M6 screw, attach the hugger to the left hand, which is the clutch side of the swing arm. Once you have made sure there are no clearance issues with the rear wheel, tighten the 3 bolts. That's it. You are all done. The only snafu that I hit was trying to remove that blank plug from the swing arm, and the top popped off. So we had to use some creative means to get it out of there in order to put the screw back in. If you have any questions about the install, please put it in the comment section down below. I'll do my very best to answer them. And if you want to pick up your own Triumph hugger for your Street Triple, I've left links in the description down below. Thank you very much for watching. Ride safe. I'll see you.